Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate kunafa cake. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather kadafi, chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, and cream. Shred and toast the pastry until golden and crunchy. Melt chocolate gently and fold into a smooth pastry cream for the filling. Layer toasted kadafi and chocolate cream, compacting gently for even baking and texture. Brush with warm syrup after baking for shine and gather your ingredients and measure them precisely for consistent results. Use 500 g kadafi, 200 g dark chocolate, 2 cups heavy cream, eggs, butter, and sugar. Make the syrup with 1 cup sugar and aromatic orange blossom or rose water. Toast the kadafi lightly in butter for crispness, then press half into the pan as a base. Fill with chocolate cream, top with remaining kadafi, and bake until set and golden brown. Start by toasting kadafi in melted butter until it reaches an even golden color and crisp texture. Whisk eggs with sugar, then slowly temper in warm cream to make a silky chocolate custard when combined with melted chocolate. Layer toasted kadafi and chocolate custard in a baking pan, pressing gently for uniform thickness. Bake at 350 degrees F until the center is set and edges are golden brown. Then pour warm syrup over the hot cake to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.